Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the About device, because first of all we have to activate the developer options. In the About device let's enter the version and let's check this build number. All we have to do here is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If you've got a pattern PIN or password, so any kind of screen lock currently set, you will have to enter it in order to confirm your whole step. And as you can see right now we are in the developer mode, so we can go back to the general settings and here let's enter system settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and enter developer options, and basically here all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find the automatic system updates option, which is currently in my case turned off. So if you want to, just tap on it in order to activate that, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really need to do anything, just remember about restarting your device. Of course you can turn it off the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options. Enable developer options, and after that activate automatic system updates in your Realme 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.